lady who had 2 children was bringing her father into the Alzheimer's clinic. And while she sat, I had a few moments, and she had two young kids, but she was also pregnant. And I asked her, I said, "What do you like about being pregnant?" Which was an odd question to ask in an Alzheimer's clinic. And she beamed, she absolutely beamed, and she says, "What I like most is meeting a new human being that I've never known before." Complete stranger, doesn't know the character, doesn't know the personality. Basically, I want to meet who they are. And you know, I've never really thought about birth in that way. Being a psychologist, birth was always just a sequential path that we follow. And she asked me, "What is my child supposed to do while they're on this planet?" How do you choose the profession that your child will be most successful monetarily, as well as experience the most gratification they can possibly have in their life? And we're talking about an endeavor that they're going to be involved in for 30 to 40 years. I'm Dr. Jeffrey Bruns, and I've been a private clinician for 35 years, probably 25 of those years in the San Francisco Bay Area, where I've primarily worked with families, teens, and young adults. Can they find an edge that will assist them to get ahead above the rest? It's not a small thing, this quest. Choosing the right placement, choosing the right people, utilizing the right information. Beak's goal is your most sacred goal, and that's to identify your child's career path, a profession, in order to develop the direction that they're going to be able to nurture that specific profession. Hence, they need to define the strengths that's going to support that career. They're going to have to select the curriculum that's going to support those strengths. And then most of all, which few people talk about, is they have to identify the weaknesses so those weaknesses do not interfere and become an obstacle to the professional growth. And once they have all that together, then they can choose a university that specializes in grooming those professions, that profession that they have groomed in order for them to achieve.